Welcome, Power Learners! Today we're going to be doing an experiment called Dancing Raisins. It's very simple and easy, and it's a very fun experiment to do. As usual, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and let's begin. All you need for this experiment is a glass filled with Sprite or any other carbonated drink, but Sprite is the most safest way to go, and raisins. All you need to do for this experiment is to drop your raisins into the Sprite. You'll see that they immediately sink to the bottom of the Sprite, and then they raise to the surface, and then they go back down, raise to the surface, and go back down. So now we're going to talk about how this happens. All that's happening in this magic-like experiment is the raisins are more dense than the Sprite, so they immediately drop to the bottom once you put them in. But then the soda itself releases carbon dioxide bubbles, which then attaches to the raisins, which you can see in the video. And this acts as a little flotation device and lifts it to the top of the surface. And then once the bubbles pop at the top of the surface, then they just go back down. And this just repeats over and over again until the soda is flat. So this concludes today's experiment. I hope you enjoyed it. And again, be sure to subscribe to our channel and see you next time.